Hey guys, so I just joined the two pieces together by single crocheting across. Now instead of fastening off, we're just gonna work around the opening. We're gonna put 2 rounds around this. If you have more yarn, feel free to add another round or 2, but I only need 2. So what you're gonna do is make sure that the right side of the work is facing you, so you're working on the right side, which means that your seam will be on the inside. That'll be not facing you. It'll be away from you. So all you're gonna do is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then just to go around, we're just gonna work evenly around the entire opening area. So I chain 3, and I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna work evenly instead. Just place my double crochets wherever. No, see, I have a hole here, here. Sorry, that's a tail. Here, 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 here. I'm just gonna put like 1 in each little area. These longer ones, I'll probably put 2 in. So let's go. Let's start. So I got 1, and I'll put 1 here. Just work it nice and evenly around. And since it's a bigger, 1 in that area is good. So just 1 in each little, where you can see like a hole to work in. It's good. It's good. Okay. See? Just work them nice and evenly. That's all there is to this. You don't have to have any specific amount of double crochets in this round because we're not doing anything special. We're just double crocheting for 1 round, and then the next round we'll do 1 more round of just half double crochets. So just work nice and evenly around. I'll show you when I get towards the arm more what it's looking like, or where I place mine, you will see. And I'm working around that tail too. That's the tail. One of the beginning tails or something. Okay, so you can see that I'm just basically placing them in the end where there's like a hole for each space across, like that. Usually I like to be a little bit more precise with my patterns, but for this one I don't feel it's too necessary, especially because of how big the hook is. And okay, so now we're coming to this area. And again, I'm just gonna put a double crochet in each little hole where you can see a hole. So 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. That'll be good. Let's see. 1 there, 1 there. Hold on. 1 there. I'll hold it up in a minute so you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is like right where the arm is. I might put 1 there. Yeah, I'm gonna put 1 like literally right around this, right in the middle, and then I'll work into the next one. So just make sure, basically, that it goes around nice and evenly. That is all, you guys. That is all. And then you'll go all the way around doing this, double crocheting evenly all the way around. Oops. Double crocheting evenly all the way around. Just place them out nice and evenly. Ta-da! that is all. That is all. And then after that, you'll join and then work one more round and just do half double crochets. And then you fasten off and weave in your ends and you'll have the cutest little shrug. I like this yarn too a lot, you guys, because it's a cotton acrylic blend. So it's like, the feel is like super nice. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of these colors. Like, they're kind of pastel-y for me, but they're alright. And this one, this is a purple multi. This one was called the green multi. I think I like this one a little bit more. But for the price, I couldn't beat it, you guys. So yeah, that's how you work the border around the opening. So is the opening, the whole opening will have like a little, just a little border around this to make it look a little nicer. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.